September is World Heart Day. This year's theme is to use heart to connect. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of mortality in the world with almost 18.6 million deaths per year. For people with heart disease, the COVID pandemic has been particularly heartbreaking because these people are more prone to develop severe forms of COVID-19, as well as they are afraid to go for routine checkups and even to attend emergency services. Also, people have become more isolated from their family and friends. So this World Heart Day, we need to use digital technology or telehealth to bridge this gap and to improve the outreach of cardiovascular services. How do we use digital technology? We can use it for prevention by making online videos, webinars to educate people about risk factors for heart disease like diabetes, high blood pressure, need for regular physical activity and avoiding smoking. We can also use it to improve a patient's awareness about the need for vaccination and to educate them about the benefits of vaccination, especially being heart patients, that they are more prone to develop severe forms of the disease. Digital technology can be used for online consultation so that patients who are unable to come to the doctor can have a regular health checkup online through teleconsultation and get their medications. Also, each one of us during this pandemic has to take responsibility for our own heart health. We have to control our blood pressures, diabetes well, also do regular physical activity, eat a healthy diet and avoid tobacco smoking. We can also use technology for remote monitoring of cardiovascular patients. Like it can be right from complex things like monitoring pacemakers, defibrillators, which can be done from remote areas, as well as to simple things like each of us can even use watches to monitor the amount of steps we walk or the amount of exercise we do. Technology can also be used to bridge the gap in patients and avoid isolation, bridge the gap between family and friends. This World Heart Day, let us pledge to use technology to avoid isolation and to improve our heart health. Thank you.